that's what I wanted. See, we reset this thing. We gave him an extra 1.5 inches inside, and then when like if you look on the other side, I can't do it until the new quarter gets here on the outside here. But I gave him some big tires all the way up here. All this had to be replaced new because it was so badly rotted that there was nothing there. You can see there was absolutely no metal left. Body mount. I made new body mounts for here. You can see this one's in. The other one I've got on the floor, and the other we had to do gas tank mounts. I had to make a new strip for this because the more we checked it, I replaced that much. Then I went inside and shined the light. This piece is gone. So I made a brand new piece to go all the way down, join it with that one. And this will be all fresh. This is going to be all fresh here. This will be all cleaned up because that's still good. This will be cleaned up. This little brace was just flopping inside the quarter panel, just laying there. So I incorporated it into the outer wheelhouse, which is what I'm going to do here. And see how this is here. This is going to get incorporated because the wheelhouse is going to come out to about here now. So we're going to incorporate this into the pinch on the tubs where the two pieces meet. I welded in nice, and that way this is solid instead of, you're driving down the road, this is what's going to happen, and that's not going to happen.
It's making a weird sound. I don't know.
Now, why is it rattling? What's this? I go over a bump and I get this weird noise. But no, that'll be all gone when we're done. Getting there. Bottom's welded, top's welded, door jamb's welded. Now we're just fitting the wheel well. Got a little bit of tweaking here and there because they're not exactly the smoothest fit. But we're gonna make it the smoothest fit. We had the ship indent in here, which we got knocked out, roughed out. This here, it's all right. We'll straighten it out when he does the final, fill and block. But I mean, it's just the way they stamp them, they mass produce them, they throw them, and we have to make them pretty. Further investigation showed that it's not good. All body filler. So I'm going to pick a new end cap like I did on that side.